Hey guys, it's Ryan from HB Auto Sound again. So one thing that's often overlooked with most shops is the install accessories that you use when you're putting aftermarket equipment into the car. So much like home audio, car audio has kind of your entry-level RCA types cables as well as power cables, but making sure that you go with something that's a good fit with your aftermarket equipment is very important. So there are different gauges of wires as well as different quality of signal output leads as well as speaker wires and RCA cables. So we offer a full line here from entry-level cables that are from $19 up to a couple $100 for your high-end cables when we put high-end components into your vehicle.